Hello students, welcome to Extreme Telugu YouTube channel. I am Gayatri. In previous video we have learnt about elimination method to solve linear equations with two variables. In today's video we'll continue understanding that elimination method by solving few more types of problems. So here you can see there are two equations with coefficients. Each variable here have a coefficient before that. So let's try this equation. Let it be equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now if you observe, there is no common term or like term here to solve it or to eliminate it. So in this case, what to do? When we don't have like terms to eliminate, then we have to create like terms for these equations. How can we do that? We can do it by multiplying each equation with a number which makes one term in this as a like term. Now if you observe, we have 4 here, we have 3 here. What is the common multiple of this 4 and 3? The first one is 12, the least common multiple. We go for the least common multiple. So the least common multiple for these 4 and 3 is 12, right? So we try to make this 4 and 3 as 12. Either the x term or the y term will be making it as least common multiple. Okay, so let's try with the y term because already we have a negative and positive term here. No need to specially subtract these equations. You can simply directly add them so that you get your x term. Okay, so now I'm trying to make this y term and this y term as 12 because their least common multiple is 12. Now to make this 3 as 12, what should I multiply with? 4. Now only this term you cannot multiply with 4. The entire equation need to be multiplied with 4. So this is how it becomes. 4x minus 3y is equal to 23 into 4. Now here 4 becomes 12 when you multiply this entire equation with 3. So 3x plus 4y is equals to 11. This should be multiplied with 3, entire equation. Okay, so what is the result here? Result here, 4 4 16x minus 4 3 is 12y. This 23 4s, we get it as 92. Now this 3 3 is 9x plus 12y is equals to 33. Okay, now let this be equation 3 and this be equation 4. As already we have a positive and negative term, no need to subtract these equations. We will add these equations. So I'll write add equation 3 and 4. So 16x minus 12y is equals to 92 plus 9x plus 12y is equals to 33. Already you have minus 12y plus 12y like terms, so we'll cancel them, which is resultant is 0. Now 16 plus 9 gives us 25x, which is equal to 92 plus 33. We get it as 125. Now we don't need 25x value, we need x value. So what do we do here? X is equals to 125 by 25. Now see, if you are very easy with 25 table, then you can directly do with that. Otherwise go with 5 table. 5 5s, 5 2s, 5 5s, 5 1s and 5 5s. So what is the x value? X value is 5. Now substitute this x value in any of the equations. So either in equation 1 or equation 2. Don't go for 3 and 4 because it gives you a little more extra calculations. This is the simplified equation. So if you substitute x in either 1 or 2, you will get a little less calculations. That's it. No special reason for that. Okay. So let's substitute this. Let's take equation 1. 4x minus 3y is equals to 23. Substitute x over here. 4 into 5 minus 3y is equals to 23. So we get 20 minus 3y is equals to 23. Now send this 20 to that side. Plus 20 going to the other side becomes minus 20. So we have minus 3y here. 23 minus 20, which gives us is equals to 3. Okay. So y becomes now y becomes 3 by minus 3, which becomes minus 1. So already we got x is 5 and we got y is minus 1. So therefore you can conclude x is 5 and y is minus 1. But as you remember, like as I told in the previous video, before you confirm that x is this and y is this, you better check by substituting any one of the equations. These values need to be substituted in any one of the equations. If the LHS and RHS are equal, then you can say these both are the solutions of these two equations. Otherwise, we need to recheck the entire procedure once again. Okay, let's try this check for these equations. Let's try equation 2. (3x plus 4y) is the LHS for us. If we solve this, we should get this 11 as the answer. So we have 3 into 5 plus 4 into minus 1. 3 5s 15 minus 4. Plus of minus is minus, right? So minus 4, which gives us 11. That is nothing but RHS. So here LHS is equals to RHS. So these values are also the solutions of these two equations. So this is how we solve different kind of equations in linear equations with two variables. Shall we try one more set of equations? Now this time we'll involve a negative term in the equation. Maybe at the beginning. We have seen only y term as a negative term, right? Now this time we see x term as a negative term. Let's try with that. Now just see this equation. As I told you, let's try with the equation with a negative term, negative x term. Now till now we have seen y terms negative. Now we have x term negatives. But it's not any different equation. It's a similar equation to that. I can say even same equation. Only the difference is very minute difference. Till now we have y terms as negative term. Here we have x term as the negative term. Everything goes on in the same way. Let's try out. Here also if you can see there are no like terms at all. Okay. Now since x is negative term here, let's try making this x as the like terms. So 4 and 5. What the least common multiple of these two numbers is 20. Okay. So let's make this x terms as 20. As I told you previously, we have to multiply this entire equations with such numbers which gives us the x terms as 20. That means 4 becomes 20 when you multiply it with 5. And 5 becomes 20 when you multiply with 4. So these entire equations we multiply with the respective numbers. Oh, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we multiply this equation. 4x plus 9y is equals to 5 is multiplied with 5. Minus 5x plus 3y is equals to 8 multiplied by 4. Now what do we get? We get these equations as 20x plus 5 9s 45y, 5 5s 25. 4 5s minus 20x plus 4 3s 12y. Again we got 12y. 8 4s 32. So this is our equation 3 and this is our equation 4. As I told you, we try to avoid the complications of the problem by choosing subtraction. Already we have negative and positive term. If you simply just make them as like terms, you'll get to eliminate those. Now I'll add these two equations to eliminate these like terms. Add equation 3 and equation 4. What do we get by adding? 20x plus 45y is equals to 25 minus 20x plus 12y is equals to 32. These both we are adding. So plus 20x minus 20x, like terms with different signs gets cancelled. 45y plus 12y, we get it as 57y is equals to 25 plus 32. 57. Very easy to calculate. Y becomes 57 by 57, which is nothing but 1. As I mentioned to you in the previous video, the questions may look complicated, but the resultants, that means their answers will be very simple. If the questions are simple, don't blindly think that answers will be very simple. You may get different answers, maybe tough answers. Now we substitute this y value in one of the equations and we try to find out the x value, right? I'll take equation 1, substitute y in equation 1. So we have equation 1 as 4x plus 9y is equals to 5. So 4x plus 9 into 1 gives us 5. 4x plus 9 is equals to 5. Now 4x is 5 minus 9. You have to be clear with your integers knowledge to do this. So we get it as 4x is equals to minus 4, where x becomes minus 4 by 4, which gives us minus 1. So see this, we got x as minus 1 and y as 1. Now let's check by substituting these values in one of the equations so that to confirm these are the solutions of these two equations. We do the checking part now. I'll take equation 2. Its LHS is minus 5x plus 3y. Now we'll substitute minus 5 into x value we got it as minus 1 and y value we got it as 1. Minus of minus becomes plus and 5 ones 5 plus 3 ones 3. We got 8, which is nothing but its RHS. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. And we can happily say that, and also with confidence we can say that these both are solutions for these two equations. If you like this video, please like and share this video and do subscribe to Extreme Telugu YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, please let us know through the comment box.